stable supply of material thanks to temperature control during mixing. Non-contact temperature monitors. Kakuhunter SKTS series. In various industries, high-quality mixing and degassing of materials is highly required. In many cases, materials can be damaged by a temperature rise during mixing. For instance, excessive temperature rises can cause curing, which reduces the pot life. It can change the composition of the material and can cause components to volatilize. Monitoring rises in temperature can lead to a stable, higher quality by controlling the speed of revolution and operating time, and optimizing the size of the container and the amount processed, so as to manage the temperature during mixing. Shashin Kagaku's non-contact temperature monitor allows the temperature of the material to be monitored in real time during mixing. It lets you see the material's temperature. Now, we will give you an example of the visualization of material's temperature using a non-contact temperature monitor. This is a graph showing the temperature of 150 grams of silicone oil with a viscosity of 300 Pascal seconds mixed for 3 minutes with SK400TR. We can see that the temperature rises little in the early stages, A, but as time passes, the temperature rises to B, then to C. Now the point to note D. This is the point at which the material's fluidity has increased, and the previously stagnant material has moved substantially inside the container, so we can assume mixing has progressed. The point after this, where the temperature has stabilized, is the time to check mixing status. Being able to visualize the material's temperature while it is being mixed offers a guide for measures that can be taken to counteract changes in the material and also contributes to improved efficiency for the mixing process. This is a comparison of A, the temperature change when 400 grams of silicone oil with a viscosity of 300 Pascal seconds is mixed for 3 minutes with SK1100T, at a speed of revolutions of 1000 RPMs and a speed of rotation of 1000 RPMs, and B, the temperature change when 150 grams of silicone oil, also with a viscosity of 300 Pascal seconds, is mixed for 3 minutes with SK400TR at a speed of revolutions of 1400 RPMs and a speed of rotation of 1400 RPMs. As we can see, the trend in the temperature rises for the SK400TR in yellow and the SK1100T in red are similar, so we can assume that their mixing states are also similar. In this way, using the mixing temperature data provided by the temperature monitor makes it easy to determine such mixing conditions as the amount to be processed when scaling up the operation. This graph shows the temperature change when 100 grams of silicone oil with a viscosity of 100 Pascal seconds is mixed with the SK300S2 in mix mode and medium mode. In mix mode, in red, the speed of rotation follows the speed of revolution at 40%. In the medium mode, in yellow, the speed of rotation follows the speed of revolution at 20%. Because the speed of rotation is lower than in mix mode, the temperature change is more gradual. The medium mode can be used to slowly but surely process materials that are easily influenced by heat, while mix mode can be used to swiftly process materials that are not easily influenced by heat. Monitoring the change in temperature of the material in this way makes it easier to select the most suitable mode for the material. This graph shows the temperature change when 150 grams of silicone oil with a viscosity of 300 Pascal seconds is mixed and degassed with the SK400TR under 3 conditions. At first, the materials are mixed at low speed. Next, they are properly mixed at high speed. And finally, degassing is performed by keeping the speed of revolution constant, but lowering the speed of rotation. The step mode can be used to preset different mixing conditions at different steps, so the entire operation can be performed automatically by pressing a single button. Being able to visualize the material's temperature while it is being mixed offers a guide for measures that can be taken to counteract changes in the material and also contributes to improved efficiency for the mixing process. This graph shows the temperature change when 400 grams of silicone oil with a viscosity of 300 Pascal seconds is mixed with the SK1100T, changing the revolving speed ratio of both revolution and rotation. The revolution and rotation speeds are, respectively, 1000 RPM and 940 RPM for the red line with the greatest temperature change, 1000 RPM and 520 RPM for the blue line with a gradual temperature change, and 630 RPM and 328 RPM for the yellow line, for which there is almost no change. By combining the individual revolution-rotation speed control system and allowing the speeds of revolution and rotation to be set separately with monitoring using temperature monitor, it is easy to set the optimum mixing conditions. The non-contact temperature monitor measures the temperature of the material being mixed in real time. A number of convenient functions are also provided, including a warning issued if the set value is exceeded and CSV output of the measured temperature information. The main applications include use as a guide for controlling the temperature of the material and management of the mixing process, but also detection of mistakes in the quantity and proportion of the materials, checking and verification of the mixing heat, etc. The infrared radiation temperature sensor installed on the container's lid measures the temperature of the material being mixed and transmits the temperature information. This information is received by a receiver installed on a computer, and the material's temperature is displayed in real time on the dedicated application. The temperature information from up to 5 temperature monitors can be received, and operation efficiency is increased by comparing the mixing temperatures under different conditions, materials, speed of revolution, etc. 3 types of containers on which temperature sensors are installed are available: 300, 400, and 1100 milliliter. Feel free to contact us if you would like to install temperature monitors on other containers. A number of functions are available to use as measures to counter the rise in temperature of the material, as shown through the measurements with the non-contact temperature monitor, including the individual revolution rotation speed control system, the step mode, and the medium mode. Excessive heating can be suppressed by setting optimum parameters, leading to improved operation efficiency. Temperatures rise can be suppressed for materials with a wide range of properties by combining the individual revolution rotation speed control system, which allows the proportional speeds of revolution and rotation to be varied with the step mode, thus enabling continuous operation with multiple different operating patterns. The Kakuhunter SK300S2's medium mode can be used to reduce the proportional speed of rotation in mix mode. This suppresses temperature rises during mixing and can also be used to mix and degas materials susceptible to such rises. Here we introduce the method for measuring using non-contact temperature monitors. Carefully insert the specific battery in the designated position. Put the materials to be mixed into the container. Attach the inner lid, then firmly close the upper lid. Turn on the power switch. Set the container on the device. Start up the dedicated application on the computer. Change the time axis unit seconds during measurement and time axis settings, and the upper and lower temperature limits display on the graph's vertical axis to change the standard settings to unique settings as desired. Also change the warning settings if you want to display a warning when the measured temperatures exceeds the set upper or lower temperature limits. Press the device's Start button and simultaneously click Start Measuring in the dedicated application to display the material's temperature in real time on the Measurement Display section. Once the measurement is finished, click the Stop button on the dedicated application. To record the measured temperature information, click the Save button to save the data. After closing the dedicated application, remove the container and turn off the temperature sensor switch. Non-contact temperature monitors. Kakahunter SKTS series. Please contact us through our website. We are waiting for your inquiries.